What's up, guys? Mellanie Winston here, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research on Motor Club of America, trying to get a feel for the company, trying to just do your due diligence, which I always give a thumbs up for, before investing in a business opportunity, right? Because oftentimes people go online and they see different posts on different social media platforms and they see the opportunity to make a lot of money, but they really don't do the due diligence to figure out what goes into making that money, right? Because if it was really as simple as whatever the people who may be telling you that it is, if it was that simple, everyone would be doing it, right? Motor Club of America is a very simple, a very legit, a very lucrative business opportunity, right? But it takes some things that you're going to have to put into it. So I just want to cover in this video some things that MCA is versus some things that MCA isn't, right? So first of all, MCA is definitely not a pyramid scheme, okay, right? That's the first one I usually get. Oh, is this a scam? Is this a pyramid scheme? I don't know any pyramid scheme that will send you a card, right? A card with a member ID number on it, contact information for the company's website. By chance, if you are looking for that, it's motorclubofamerica.com, right? But you can go up there. Don't sign up through there. Just go up there and check out the information up there. And when you get ready to sign up, just come back to this video, click on the link below and get started. If you want to speak with someone, a Motor Club of America specialist, 1-800-435-7622, right? So Motor Club of America is definitely not a pyramid scheme. Just to go a little further into what a pyramid scheme is, by definition, a pyramid scheme pretty much is whenever there is funds exchanged and the promise that there's going to be a financial profit in return, right? There's no product or service connected to this exchange. It's just someone saying, okay, I'm going to give you $30. You give me $30 and I'm going to in turn get other people to give me $30. I'll give you some of the money and I'll keep my portion. That's what it is. Motor Club of America, you're going to be going to a website where you're signing up for the company through the company's link. So there's definitely service and products that's attached to this company. You know, $150,000 worth of benefits, unlimited roadside assistance. If you don't know about the benefits, there's a video I made specifically for the benefits, breaking those down for you. But again, MCA is definitely not a scam. MCA is an opportunity to partner with the company as an independent contractor to run things your way. It's your business, right? You work whenever you want. You make your own schedule. If you don't want to work, you don't have to work. But just know, if you don't work, you're not going to get paid. You have to be consistent with Motor Club of America, right? So Motor Club of America is a legitimate business opportunity that is very lucrative. It pays you $80 to $90 per sale of every total security package plan, right? That's a 200% commission. I don't know any other company out here that's doing that. But again, MCA is a lucrative business if you treat it like a business. It can be just a business that allows you to generate some revenue, right? Last year, I generated about almost $1,100 just for me selling the memberships. And then there are other income streams that I had tied into Motor Club of America that was able to boost that. But again, Motor Club of America, you get out of it what you put into it. It is a business, right? Motor Club of America is not a get rich quick scheme, right? When I say you can get rich quick, and if you want to say you scheming to get rich or you're plotting and planning to get rich, cool, but you're not going to get rich quick with Motor Club of America. You'll get rich with Motor Club of America. It may take you a couple of months, right? It may take you a couple of years. You can get rich with Motor Club of America, but it may or may not be quick, right? It's all dependent on your marketing skills, your knowledge of the product, your will to show up every day in your business, your ambition, your motivation, your why. Why are you looking to get in Motor Club of America, right? Do you want freedom? Do you want time freedom? Are you sick and tired of going to a job that you absolutely hate? Or maybe you don't absolutely hate it, but you would much rather be doing something else with your time and your attention, right? So Motor Club of America can allow you to create whatever life you want to live, right? I am living in about 10 miles away from Miami, Florida. I've always dreamed of moving here. I've moved here recently, and it's because of the mindset that I was able to obtain because of the information that was exposed to me through Motor Club of America. So again, something else that Motor Club of America is a tool, and or if you want to say a resource that people use to be able to create the life that they want, right? Because if you don't have to worry about going into a job, if you don't have to worry about asking a boss for time off of work, if you don't have to worry about calling in sick because you're sick, you can create whatever life you want. If your kids are sick in school, you don't have to worry about asking your boss for permission to leave to go get them to take care of things that you have to take care of. You're your own boss. You're your own business. So if I want to work today, I work. If I don't, I don't. That's up to me. This is me working. Me making this video is me working. It is hot in here. Like, I really want to cut my air on, but you have to be uncomfortable sometimes in order to get the job done. I have to get my video done. I'm very busy, and this is the free time that I had to get it done. So that's what I'm doing. Again, Motor Club of America is a business. It is something that is lucrative. It can be very lucrative. It cannot be very lucrative, but it's not a pyramid scheme. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You're going to have to work your butt off with Motor Club of America in order to be successful. But listen, like with anything else, you get involved with it. You learn how to lay the foundation for it, and then you just build upon it. And years from now, it can be as big as you're getting freaking $70,000 a month. And yes, I said $70,000 a month because there's somebody who made $32,000 in 1 week with Motor Club of America. So the income potential is there. Are you willing to step up and do what you need to do in order to be successful in Motor Club of America, right? Are you willing to apply the training? Are you willing to click on the link below right now? Stop hesitating. You've watched enough videos. You already know it's real. You know it's not a scam. Believe in yourself again. You may have tried other opportunities in the past, right? You may have never tried this before. This may be something completely foreign to you. Believe in yourself for once. Allow the results from other people. Leverage those to say, hey, those people are no different than me. The only difference is they took action, they were consistent, they were serious, and they decided to keep going until they started receiving the results they were looking for, right? So that can be you. And you're the only person that can make that happen. Again, I could go on and on about this, but I just want to give you a brief overview of it's going to take some work to be lucrative with Motor Club of America. But if you have the mindset to get it done, in which I know you do because you're still watching this, then go ahead, click the link below, set up your free Motor Club of America marketing system, right? The system that's going to teach you how to earn multiple $80 to $90 commissions per day. That's going to allow you to create that dream life that you're desiring, right? It's a very simple system. We have tons of people having results from it, instant results. Go ahead and set your system up. Connect with me on social media if you haven't already. That information is going to be below as well. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're rapidly approaching 100 subscribers. We're going to be able to change the link. We're going to customize it to Passion Pursuers Network and get it done all big, right? But subscribe, like, comment, share, connect with me. Let me know that you're ready to go ahead and get started. As a matter of fact, don't let me know you're ready to get started. Let me know that you got started. Let me know that you signed up so that I can make sure that you are plugged into my personal team page where there are other passion pursuers, right, who are in there fulfilling their dream. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video. I hope you found value here. Until tomorrow's video, peace.